Unlocking the future of technology, unbelievable gadgets you have to see. Technology has the ability to enrich human experience. Today, we will discuss those technological gadgets which will leave you completely speechless. So let's jump right in. But before we continue further, I would request you to subscribe to our channel. Every subscription is a great contribution, and I really appreciate all of your support in this regard. So the first awe-inspiring gadget we have for you is the Vanzy Auto Ring. The reason why we are recommending this gadget is that it can make your life very simple. The ring goes to your finger, through which you can easily control all your devices. The ring is all you need to type, text, take calls, or even play videos and share content on social media. The ring can be configured with certain gestures, which will make its use even more efficient. This device can be used to type short sentences, but by no means should it be considered as a replacement for a full keyboard. You can use this device with almost any device, including your smartphone, smart TV, or even your VR headset. The next gadget in this list is the ozobot Evo Robot. This robot communicates through light and sound. The robot can be used for learning to code. Once you are past the preliminary levels, you can use Ozobot Blocky app to deliver more advanced types of coding to the robot. The object of teaching these programming lessons is to make the robot self-sufficient. The robot will follow your fingers. The robot can fit the palm of your hand and even work for about 60 minutes non-stop before it needs to be charged. This is the future of e-learning, which can be used up to K-12. The Lockdown MultiTool is the next important tool on this list. This device includes the essential items every man needs to have. The most promising feature of this product can fit in your pocket. The device has a 2.5-inch blade which has a lock over it. The tool also has a box cutter which you can use to cut open a parcel. If you need to file away something, there's a chisel edge included in the multi-tool. Of course, any multi-tool set would be incomplete without a screwdriver set. The Lockdown multi-tool has those too, and a spring-loaded scissor as a bonus. The SOG Flint survival tool is the next gadget we will talk about. So the SOG Flint is the only tool you will need if you are venturing further out from civilization. This gadget comes in the shape of a pencil, which makes it incredibly easy to carry. For starters, the tool comes with a fire starter, which will make life easy outdoors, especially when it gets chilly outdoors. SOG Flint also comes with a glass breaker. The device itself is not more than 4 inches and does not weigh more than an ounce. You can easily stash it in your survival pants in case things get a little feisty. The Jurassic Croc is the next survival tool on this list. This tool comes in the form of a bracelet, making it ideal for people who like to wear bracelets. This gadget has several functions, including tape cutters, can openers, screwdrivers, hex wrenches, and can openers. This makes it a keeper when vacationing because it can give you the great bohemian outlook, and it has a great functional value too. The LG Mood Up refrigerator is next on this list. This refrigerator is the perfect addition for someone who wants to elevate the mood of their kitchen. The fridge changes more than just colors and can also change LED in the door panels. The device also comes with smart technologies to help retain the freshness of the food. The fridge also has built-in speakers so that you can dance to your favorite beats while making dinner. The LG Think app also helps you with putting 22 colors for the upper door panel. The app also gives you some 19 colors for the lower door panel. Overall, the refrigerator can add in different themes, seasons, places, and moods. The next gadget is the LG Stylish Suitcase. This suitcase is the best addition for offering hygienic shoe suitcases. These suitcases come with true STEM technology, which can help retain the quality of your high-end designer luxury brands. By keeping these shoes in these suitcases, you can protect your expensive shoes from humidity and general wear and tear. It also helps protect them from UV light. These stylish suitcases come in 360-degree turnable showcase, which gives a great personality to your room. The design has a modular overall aesthetic through which you can stack them one over another. The last gadget on this list is the Unistellar Equinox. This gadget is a telescope with a twist. You can peek at the infinite cosmos above you from the comfort of your home through this gadget. This gadget will help you peek past pollution and appreciate the beauty of planets and space. The gadget comes with a dedicated app containing a library of all the celestial objects. You can cross-reference everything you are seeing on the telescope with their details on the app. This way you will actually be able to know a thing or two about what you are seeing. The stars that you see in the telescope can also be viewed in full HD on your mobile device or any other device you are using at the moment. This brings us to the end of this video. Please hit the like button if you found this video interesting. Thank you for watching till the end and hope to see you in the next one. Cheers!